Hey there, this is Vu from Avocode, and today I'd like to show you the latest 2.20 update of the Avocode app. You can look forward to improved experience with sketch designs, and we've also added some enhancements into comments on design. So let's get into it. First of all, make sure that you have the latest version of the app. And with this update, we're also updating our sketch plugin. The plugin should install automatically, but if you want to make sure that you have the latest version, just go to Sketch, go to Plugins, Manage Plugins, and the version should say 48.2.8. Now, the new plugin should sync designs into Avocode up to 2 times faster. Let me show you. Just select these two artboards, hit Command J, and you can notice that the transition between Sketch and Avocode was almost instant. We've added one more handy feature here, and that's the support of sketch libraries. That means if you sync a design and artboard that has a symbol linked into a library, you can access all of these layers inside of Avocode as well. Now, let's try and open up this design. We've added one more handy feature here, and that's the ability to download the original design file from Avocode. Up here, you can download the sketch design, edit it, sync it back as a revision. That's why we built it. Now that you're in a design, you can also notice that panning, zooming, and moving around generally is faster here. You should notice, especially in larger design like this one, like this, it should be really much more faster. Let us know what you think. Now let's talk about comments in designs. So whenever you comment on something, you generally want to mention someone or talk to someone specific. That's why we built one of the most upvoted features, and that's mentions inside of Avocode. You can basically mention anyone from your team, and they'll instantly receive an email notification, so your workflow is much more efficient. These mentions, of course, work in annotations and general comments as well. So that's it from today's update. I hope you enjoy all of the new features. Please try all of them and let us know what you think. And Avocode 3.0 is coming very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks.